Montenegro, yeah. Walking down Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro. Just going down Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro, yeah, 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 yeah. Just walking down Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro. Those damn beautiful streets of Macau. Those damn beautiful damn streets of Macau. Just walking down those damn beautiful streets of Macau. Walking down Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro.
Okay, so this is called Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro. So this particular one has this beautiful little alley right in here. And then we're also going to walk down this way a little bit because I want to show you the corner of this one. This whole building right here is really interesting. So I want to try to capture that as well. But this is going to be our target street. And then the rest of Rochelle is kind of the corner piece that I want to highlight as well. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're going to walk down this street right here. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we have this beautiful little alley right here, and then I find this building really amazing, this little corner one right here. This one cuts through and goes all the way down, and it's a Travessa. Let me walk across a little bit. Let me give you some context. So this little thing kind of meanders into some other really cool looking alleys down in there, but that's not going to be the focus. Our focus is going to be this one, and then this little corner piece kind of it's so interesting, but it kind of crosses our street. And what I find really interesting is this green one on the corner, and when I get to the corner it'll make sense. So we're kind of walking down something called Resta Rochelle, and it has that space like that to it. And I just want to capture it because this green building, that our target street goes to the side of it. And you can see how amazing that looks, right? So we're going to walk down this way. I'm just going to give you some context in a moment. So this is the Sparka Kimbu Hospital. And then right here you have that beautiful, beautiful building right there. I'm going to capture it like that. So our Montenegro, our street goes behind this one, but that's what makes this one so interesting. Got those beautiful balconies right there as well. And our street's going to cut across right in that way. So let me just kind of capture that for a moment. And I'm going to go back. There's only one way to go back. I have to go back towards the crosswalk. But let me also capture some of these beautiful balconies too. And now you have those, the way that that's captured. It's amazing. Okay, so just kind of give you an idea of the crossroad we're at. Barca, Resta Rochelle. In the evening they'll have a nice restaurant right here as well. So yeah, Barca, Resta Rochelle, and then this one kind of put this whole building into a triangle shape. And then we're gonna go back to the plaza, and now you kind of have a context. So I'll try to do the context of stuff so you can see exactly how they fit into everything else. Then in here you have this beautiful plaza, and that's the backside of that same green building, right? There's a shoe shop. Yeah, and if you go through there, you can go through, and then you go into these other little alleys over there. So this whole space is filled with all these interesting little alleys and such. Here's even somebody's apartment right here with the balcony. It's kind of cool that they have that. And our street's gonna keep on going up this way. And we're gonna go up. There's another beautiful balcony up there as well. Let's see if we can get across here. Okay. So that is kind of that little triangle right there. So that whole building is cut in a triangle. And that's that corner that we were on. So this is all this Travessa de Martinho. Right there. Then now we're gonna walk up it and try to give you some context of what the street looks like. So yeah, it has a nice little plaza right there. That's an XXXXL. All the clothes look like more petite. Car wash, maybe? Yeah, guess so. Okay, so that's our target street right here, Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro. And the way this whole area is cut, there's more of these corners here. So I'm gonna so you can see how these corners are cut like that. A little bit different, right? Royal. Kind of a normal 90-degree corner right there. Then our street's gonna go just a little bit further. But yeah, so that one kind of has a interesting angle, and then so does the other one. So this street kind of cuts in a way that makes that one kind of a triangle, and this one kind of a triangle. And then we just go up to the base here, so you can kind of get an idea of what Macau looks like in this part of the city. It has a little bit different feel in different places. And this one is very, very few tourists would come in here. So this one is more dominated by local people who live in this area, of course. And this one gives a lot of the density. So when people talk about Macau being one of the densest places, this would be one of the areas that would be filled with the density. Okay, so we're gonna come up to the ending here of our target street. Something called Best Moments. And then we'll finish our street here. So that's our target street. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come to an ending right at this corner spot just because it's so cool. So we're kind of giving you some context to different stuff. So we done our target street, which is a Travessa, and then the cross street is actually a Hua. And there used to be something else was in this area right here. There used to be something that was in this corner that was kind of cool. Now it's gone. I don't know what it was. So maybe if I look back, I can see what it was if I filmed it in the past. But anyways, this is the Hua, and our Travessa was directly down in that corner. So we'll end our video right there.